Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inspecting the rim and hub to find the dominant wobble. This tells you where to focus. Once done, remove the tire or deflate it so you can see spoke pulls clearly, and mount the wheel in a stand or bike frame with axle clamps. Make sure you have a correctly sized spoke wrench and a marker to track the high spot. This early accuracy saves time and prevents overcorrection. You now focus on the wobble by spinning the wheel slowly and marking lateral high spots with a marker. This creates a map. For lateral wobbles, tighten the spokes on the low side by 1/4 turn, then check spin. Tightening pulls the rim toward the tightened side. For radial bumps, tighten groups of spokes evenly around the bump to lower the hop. Make small, alternate adjustments and keep tension balanced, because even tension prevents new misalignment. You finish by equalizing spoke tension around the wheel. Use a tension gauge or finger feel. Aim for consistent resistance so the rim stays true under load. Once tensioned, check dish so the rim is centered over the hub. Adjust opposing spoke sets if off-center. Finally, spin the wheel and do a brake pad clearance check. Make any tiny tweaks, then redress spokes and reinstall tire. If the wheel still wobbles, check for bent spokes or a damaged rim. Replace parts before retrying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.